The tools used are bowl, baking sheet, spoon and cake brush, mixer, container, saucepan, and the last oven. The materials needed are 7 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 90 grams of flour, 3 eggs, 50 grams dark chocolate, half teaspoon cake emulsifier, and the last 100 ml cooking oil. First, put dark chocolate into a small bowl and mix with cooking oil. Then, boil the water. Put a small bowl filled with cooking oil and dark chocolate into the boiled water. Don't put too much water into the stew so that bowl doesn't sink. Mix until melted. Grease the baking sheet with butter until evenly distributed. Put the cocoa powder into the bowl containing the flour, then mix well. Prepare the container. Put eggs, cake emulsifier, and sugar into the container, then mix using a mixer until fluffy. Put the flour mixture with cocoa powder into a large container with a filter so there are no lumps, and add the melted dark chocolate little by little. Mix using a spoon. Do it repeatedly until the flour mixture runs out. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes 180 degrees Celsius. Then, put the mixed dough into a baking sheet that has been smeared with butter. If the oven is off, put the baking sheet into the oven for 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. If the oven is off, remove the baking sheet, then put the brownies onto a plate. And the last, cut and decorate according to taste. Brownies is ready to be enjoyed.